There has been great emphasis in Western Province of Zambia to commercialize beef cattle production for the sector to contribute more effectively to household food security and income, as well as to the nation's economy. Musika, a non-profit making organization, is persuading rural livestock farmers to adopt modern methods of keeping cattle like supplementary feeding with concentrates in order to have a highly marketable beef. Musika's managing director, Ruben Banda, says his company and his partners want rural farmers to add value to their animals.
So the extension officers here will be going around these communities, training the farmers how to raise their animals, how to feed their animals, and above all, how to improve the genetics of these animals through artificial insemination and so forth. Now, it is at this level, it is this thing that now the farmers now start seeing the change. They'll start comparing what they used to have and what they are going to be having now once they start the engagement.
Hope and potential for the beef sector in the Western Province is not lost.
We have over 1 million animals, cattle here in Western Province, and as time goes on, when farmers adopt improved technology, artificial insemination, feeding their animals and providing the supplementary feeding, also making sure the animals go through the health schedule properly, you are going to find that this population can easily double within the next 5 years or so. And that also, instead of just selling beef, live animals, we'll be able to see a situation where there are so many other firms that would like the processors. The meat processors will come here and start processing this product into various products, beef products.
Once improved and modern ways of livestock farming are adopted by rural farmers, the beef sector in the Western Province is poised to graduate many people out of poverty. Lloyd Kapsa, Movie TV Business News, Senanga, Western Province.